My name is Steven. I'm one of the boots here at Wheaton Labs. Today is chair fixing day. It's one of our half-ass holidays. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at a couple chairs, see if we can fix them. Both of these are kind of loose. There are a couple reasons that this happened. First off, it was our first ever projects that we've ever done. Second thing, these don't use any metal fasteners and they don't use any glue. You have the post that goes into a hole, and then you have the hole itself. So the post is called a tenon, and the hole is called a mortise. Put those two things together, you have a joint like this, or these right here. You want to have green wood for your mortise, green wood for your holes, and then you want to have dry wood for your tenons. The tenon is not going to shrink anymore, but the mortise is going to shrink around it. So that'll create a nice solid joint. I just want to take some toothpicks, put them in there along with the tenons to try to fill up some of that empty space. Again, the goal is to not use any metal fasteners, not use any glue. This is one of our basic metal chairs that we use in the classroom most of the time. And yes, indeed, looks like the bottom is kind of messed up. Maybe two pieces of wood going laterally from front to back on the seat. Give it a little more support for the next person who wants to have a seat on it. Supports are in. Yes! This is my first ever stool. It's kind of crooked, but it's my ugly stool. The first thing I want to do is make this level. Trimmed about half an inch. I'm going to use one of these tools that I haven't used in a long time, which is basically push rasp. Alright, that's good. 3 chairs and a footstool. If you like this sort of thing, then come on out to the forums over at permies.com, where we talk about repair, reusing, and recycling, homesteading, and permaculture all the time.